So hello guys, today we are going to learn how to generate points along a polygon using ArcGIS tool and manual method. First we will use tools to generate points along line, and we will then go in manual method. Sometimes using tools might not be relevant in field, so we'll also learn how to do it manually. So first, using tools, just type generate points along line and you can see generate points along line data management tool in your search box. If you can't find search box here, you can go to Windows and here it is search box. So yeah, after finding search box, type generate points along line in and go in data management tool, generate points along line data management tool. In input feature, put the polygon in which you want to create points. Like we want to create point along this polygon. So yeah, this is equi area polygon. You can see equi area polygon. So in input feature, we are going to put equi area polygon. In output feature class, and give where you want to save the folder name or the point name. Let's say points by tool. Click save. And distance, you have to put distance in. What is the distance interval between one point to another point? So let's put 100 meter. Okay. Include points, you can either tick it or non-tick it. Let's tick it. Here you can see what it means, check it or uncheck. Okay, here you can see the points are created along the line. So yeah, here you can see its attribute table as well. Here point X and point Y, you can also calculate their coordinates by going here, calculate geometry. X coordinate meters, UTM zone 44. Okay, and also you can also calculate y coordinate. Okay, here is how you can create points along line and also their coordinates using these tools. But you see, sometimes this method might not be relevant, especially in case of boundary lines where the boundary is not in straight line. So to tackle this, we will use manual method. Let's try by manual method. Let's just uncheck it. For this, you have to create first shape file, point shape file. To create point shape file, just go to catalog. Here you can see catalog in Windows, catalog, and in catalog create a new shape file. Just click in right click in home, go to new and save file. It is our point. We want to create point feature. So point feature, just name it manual point. It is coordinate system in which your polygon lies. My lies in 44. Okay, now you have to start edit this edit feature. Start editing, continue. After start editing, go to catalog. After start editing, go to create feature here. If you can't find create feature here, it's in editing box in the last. Here is a create feature. Click here, create feature. Here is create feature. Click here and click on this point file which we are editing, manual point. Here is select point here. After that, move your cursor in the map. You can see points appearing wherever you move your cursor. So put the cursor there where you want point to be. So I want point, 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here. So generate your points or click in the map where you want your points to be. So this type of manually creating point is very beneficial in terms of the in context of this irregular boundary, so that our measurement, so that we can measure it more accurately. So this is more flexible way of creating points. After creating points, you should stop editing. Yes. Now let's see the attribute table. Here you have to calculate point x and point y for x coordinate and y coordinate. Just go to 8 field, say x for x coordinate, long integer, okay, and again 8 field, say y for y coordinates and long integer, okay. Just select all x, right click and go to calculate geometry for x coordinate, okay. Similarly for y, select y coordinate, okay. So yeah, here is how you create points along line using both ArcGIS tool or manual method. So thank you for watching.